Okay, so next we're going to remove this, which is our wire restraint. I'm going to take this out. Just set that down there so we don't lose track of it. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our connection with our two ground wires, which has the familiar symbol that it did up on the air handler and the green screw, green wire. So we'll take one of these out at a time. Take one green lead, put it in place. Install that one. Take this one out. Take our next green lead. Don't have a lot of slack there. I have to make some more room. Mark, I might need your help. That's our umbilical cord side. We're not going to get much more out of that, so I'm just going to fold it down here. We're going to be fine. Okay, so now that we've got those installed, our black and white are our line and our neutral, which is the white and black here. So your line is always your black and your neutral is your white. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this, we're going to loosen that up, put it under the terminal, tighten it back down, and we'll do the same with the neutral, loosen it up. Put our terminal underneath, tighten that back up, and then we have our three from the umbilical cord, which, if you remember when we installed them, we did red, black, white, which if you look on top as you're installing it, they'll also be labeled 1, 2, 3, something I failed to mention. You just take the boots off and they go under the terminals, just as simple. So just loosen it up. Put the wire under, again red, black, which is number 2, and white, which is number 3. And then what we want to try, which isn't always the easiest thing to do, is to get the majority of those wires tucked under there. So what we'll do is we'll put this starter screw in here. Turn that in just a little bit. And then we can take this, tuck it in behind there, and then cover up all our wires and put this screw in there. And then they all stay restrained and cannot get pulled out. Put that down, and then we have our 3 original cover screws which go on here. 1, 2, 3. So that completes your electrical connection in there.